The future of climate by the year 2100. What awaits humanity if we do not change our course? And what happens if we do? Our knowledge is based on data from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, the IPCC. The forecasts are also confirmed by NASA and the World Meteorological Organization. Scientists consider two main scenarios. The pessimistic one, the world continues to burn fossil fuels. The optimistic one, we rapidly cut emissions and switch to green energy. By 2100, the average global temperature may rise by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius. This would mean a sea level rise of more than 1 meter. The disappearance of coastal cities and islands. Droughts and water shortages. More frequent catastrophic floods and hurricanes. If humanity fulfills the Paris Agreement and limits warming to 1.5 to 2 degrees, the world will still change, but not catastrophically. The sea will rise by several tens of centimeters. Some ecosystems will suffer, but most will adapt. The changes will affect everyone, but not equally. South Asia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Deadly heat and water scarcity are expected. Millions may lose their homes due to flooding from rising seas. Africa, especially the Sahel and East Africa. Drought, hunger, and lack of drinking water. Growing conflicts over resources. Oceania and the Pacific Islands. Fiji, Tuvalu, Kiribati. There is a risk of complete disappearance under the water. Europe, the south of Spain, Italy, Greece. Extreme heat, fires, and water shortages. Northern Europe will become wetter and may benefit agriculturally. North America. The United States and Canada will face hurricanes, wildfires, and rising seas. Mexico and the southern U.S. will suffer from heat and water shortages. The Arctic and Greenland. Melting ice sheets will accelerate sea level rise. The natural habitat for many animals and plants will vanish. Ukraine and Eastern Europe. More droughts in the south and east. Heavier rains and floods in the west. Threats to crops and food security. The climate crisis is not only about the environment. It is also about the economy, migration, and security. According to the United Nations, millions will become climate refugees. Nations will spend trillions of dollars dealing with the consequences. There are also positive signs. Renewable energy is already cheaper than fossil fuels. Countries are investing in solar and wind power. But it is still not enough. The future of climate by 2100 depends on us. It can become a world of disasters, or a world where humanity finds balance with nature. We live in a decisive moment of history. Our actions today will determine the kind of world our children and grandchildren will inherit.